Hello, my name is Neil Brex Guzman. I'm joined today by Darlene Antoinette Duran, John Alex Rosales, Eric John Ramilo, Nathaniel Dumayas. It is our honor to introduce you to the Mauritania Group, an enclosed proposal regarding three fundamental datasets. We, as a team who are highly dedicated towards business analytics, have carefully selected these datasets in order to solve some of the process problems and analyze hidden nuggets in the field. In today's presentation, as a part of our work with the chosen datasets, we will focus on the specifics of each dataset and its applicability and usefulness for solving certain tasks. It is our desire not just to share wealth of this dataset, but also to illustrate how such datasets can be used to spur creativity, improve organization performance, and inspire positive change. This is our dataset project proposal for data warehousing and data mining.
Popular movies based on the TMDB ratings. This dataset contains 10,000 movies that includes release date, title, language, vote average, and vote count. Business question number 1. How does the popularity of movies vary across different languages? The data mining task. By summarizing the average popularity for movies in different languages, using ANOVA or analysis of variance, so as to decide whether there is a significant variation in popularity of movies in the given language or not. Business question number 2. What are the characteristics of movies with the highest vote average? Data mining task that will be used. To traverse through the average votes of the movies, classification methods are used to decide the nature of the patterns like period of release, the initially used language in the movie, and the way movie has been accepted by the artist. It is useful to elucidate with which factors have the strongest impact on obtaining high averages of votes aided by decision trees. Last business question. Genres of movies tend to have higher average ratings. The data mining task that will be used. Using clustering technique, we continue the analysis of movie genres and average ratings in order to group the films by genres and their averages. Association rule mining helps in understanding the dependency of high ratings TV shows or programs on specific genres and or vice versa, enlightening us about genre-wise viewership.
The following are some of the factors that play a critical role in shaping the customer's behavior and their tendency to make repeated purchases in a superstore. It means that such techniques as association to rule mining, regression, decision trees, and cluster analysis can be used to analyze a customer's behavior patterns. It is similar to market basket analysis that determines the repeated purchases and frequent item sets of the customers. Analytical models like logistic regression and decision trees enable identification of aspects like product domain that have tendency of impacting the customer loyalty or response to the promotion. The promotion strategy of clustering analysis maps the customers in terms of behavior and demographics and determines which segment is the most profitable to market and establish the loyalty programs. This implies that strategic product assortment and effective pricing strategies need to be developed to increase organizational profitability. Market basket analysis, mainly used for the setting of product purchase trends that are often used when it comes to placing products and having promotions. This strategic approach helps to ensure that product portfolios and the pricing methods being used to reflect the desires of the consumers, and thus improves both the customer satisfaction as well as aids the profitability of the superstore.
For the next dataset, it would be the top 10,000 songs on Spotify from 1960 up to now. This dataset contains 10,000 Spotify songs that includes name, artist, release, popularity, genre, and duration. We would be answering three questions. First is what are the key factors influencing song popularity on Spotify? How can Spotify improve personalized song recommendations for users? And lastly, what are the emerging trends in music consumption on Spotify? Discovering what drives song popularity involves feature selection to pinpoint attributes like danceability and energy, alongside predictive models that correlate these features with metrics such as streams and likes. Additionally, sentiment analysis on user comments provides qualitative insights into popular song factors. Enhancing personalized recommendations entails using collaborative filtering to match users with similar listening histories, employing clustering algorithms to categorize songs by audio features, and developing advanced recommendation models to predict and suggest songs based on user preferences. Analyzing emerging trends in music consumption on Spotify involves time series analysis to track streaming patterns over various periods. Topic modeling to uncover new genres or themes from user-generated playlists and association rule mining to identify patterns in song co-occurrences among users.
Lastly, it is a pleasure for us, the Mauritania Group, to present our proposal where we've outlined three fundamental datasets. Being a team focused on change and development of business analytics and decision making, these datasets were chosen by the team deliberately to answer the challenging and significant questions in the field of this dataset. Thus, throughout today's presentation, we have investigated all the peculiarities of the given datasets and their usages in solving the essential tasks. Our aim has been not only to present the variety of these datasets, but also to illustrate how this data can promote innovative initiatives, increase the effectiveness of organizational activities, and initiate the process of change.